back to my channel. So I hope you are doing really well. आणि लास्ट व्हिडिओ हांवें घातलो तो ऑगस्टा मिनी ब्लॉग केलेले. आय होप तुमकां लायक जाला आसतलें. बट नाव ऑनवर्ड्स I am going to start with Konkani and English. I'm going to start talking and I'm going to take you in my daily life whenever it happens. सौदा करपा जायना एक टायम हांवें मेन्शन केलोलें इंस्टाग्रामार की हांव सौदा डेली ब्लॉग्स घालतलें बट इट इज रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट हॅविंग अ बेबी एंड डुईंग अदर वर्क बट हांवें चिंतलां की हांव जेन्ना पॉसिबल हा तेन्ना हांव ही ब्लॉग्स करतलें स्पेशली इन कोंकणी एंड इंग्लीश ओके दोनूय सो आय होप यू लायक इट आनी तुमचो पळय लायक जाल्यार प्लीज 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 लायक आनी सबस्क्रायब करा चॅनला ओके प्लीज हांवें चिंतलां सगलो जो रोप हा आमगेर दुलोलो हा आनी तो दोवपा जावो सगलो आयज रेडी करपाचो आनी सगळे आपल्या जाग्यार घालपाचो जे हांव एवरीडे डिसायड करतलें म्हणून पूण जायना आनी दोन फायदोय ना बिकॉज सेकेंड टायम पावस इतलो चड येता आनी रोप सुकना आनी म्हाका वास मारता सो म्हाका लायक जायना तशें करून इवन शेड पासून मला वचना कम्फर्ट पासून घायल्यार आनी तो रोप सुकना जाल्यार घालपा अशें उमेद येना ताका लागून हांवें म्हणलें वेट फॉर सम टायम आनी मागीर करुया म्हणून मातशें ऑत येयल्यार येता म्हणून सगळे बाबा रोप घाललेलो पूण स्पिन जायना सो आतां तो रोप काडटा हांव आनी सुकोवंक घालता आयज बरें कडक ऑत येयला ताका लागून हांव आयज रोप सुकोवंक घालता सो हियर आय गो I was telling you guys, what's the rope I have to hold them and I'm really bored but I have to do it tonight at least. So here I go. म्हाका सारकी भूक लागल्या सो आतां एक फ्रूट कातरून खाता एका पेज म्हणटाय
Mass 74 to 20 222 222 660 plus 2000
595 सो जस्ट डिलिव्हरी बॉय येयला आनी ताणें म्हाका 2 पार्सल हाडलाय Hi guys, so आता जोपा वयता so you can see Zeev there what he's doing. He's playing the piano. He is literally gone on his tada and his godpa. I hope he becomes a great musician or a singer one day just like us.
Friends, see, come on.
So
God bless you, baby. See, you're doing really good. Really good.
Zeev is taking a nap. He is very sleepy. It's an afternoon nap. I's begin utlolo, that's why like a jamet astoli. And even with him, I'm taking a nap, a very small one. मागीर मिसा वचपा जाय सो तयारी करपा जाय ताका लागून बेगीन न्हिदता आनी उठ्ठा हाय आय जस्ट गॉट अप आतां हांव तयार जाता मिसाक वचोंक. सो आय एम जस्ट चुजींग अ ड्रेस. आयज खंयचो ड्रेस घालचो. एंड आफ्टर चुजींग फॉर अ लॉंग टायम I decide केलें that I'm wearing this one. Hi baby, you got up. Wow. Mama kishke, mama kishke. Oh, you're sleeping.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
So this is the final look. This is how I look in this dress, and now I am off to go for mass. Hey guys, I just came back from the church. Was hungry, so munching some pistas. I सामके tiring जाले म्हाका because of my leg. पाय दुखतालो मातसो because I need to stand for a longer time for choir. Today I sat, but it was okay, but still a bit tiring it was for me. Also, think to order pizza today because pizza is like fun, and my cousins are around and they're going in 2 days time to back to UK. So tenka lagon a small pizza party is necessary. So ata order kutta. See you. So this is my today's dinner, paneer bhurji. It was really nice talking to you guys. Ata macho dinner kurta. I'm having some food and my gear. I'll see you next time. So keep watching my vlogs. Bye bye.